This is the Razer Seiren X. It is very small. Here's a mug for scale. The Razer Seiren X, this thing, retails for $99.99 on Razer's website. And I'm going to tell you right now, that is way too expensive. So, I would not recommend buying this for $99.99. But, it can be easily found, and that's how much I bought it for $49.99 or $50-ish on eBay. You might have to buy it used. I bought this one used, but it was basically brand new in box. So I suggest buying it for the $50 you can find it for. You can even find it new at Best Buy for like $60. I would definitely not go over $60, but let's go into the sound test right away. So this is what it sounds like. This is what it sounds like from a normal user distance. It sounds fine. I mean, it's what you would expect from a USB microphone. This is just what it sounds like. If I'm sitting at my desk doing a live stream, it sounds okay. The one thing I like is it does have this mute button on the front. If you're wondering how I'm still talking, it's because I'm switching off the audio between this lavalier microphone and the Razer microphone that's in my hand. How I'm doing this, I am magical. It does have a volume knob, which can be used to obviously turn up the volume. And I don't even think it's working. Razers. One of the biggest problems with this product, aka Razer Seiren X, is that you actually have to deal with Razer software, whether you like it or not. Some people, I used to, some people like the Razer software. The Razer gaming software, Razer Synapse, that's what it's called. Some people like it. I used it for my Razer PC. Oh, I hit that hard. I used it for my Razer PC. I liked it sometimes. Other times, I did not really like it. It's iffy. Sometimes it can actually have a performance impact in the game, so user will vary. Let's see. The mics I use normally are for streaming are these XLR Audio-Technica AT2020s. The software they use has like no impact on anything on the system, and this is what they sound like compared to the Razer Seiren. This is the microphone compared to my Audio-Technica AT2020. They're both recording at the same volume, so levels are the same exactly in OBS. This is just strictly a sound test between them. I'm constantly switching between them with the label next to them, and you can decide which one you like better. I still like my Audio-Technica a little better, even if it's just the point where it looks cooler, but I just think the flexibility it applies. I'm not really not a Razer Seiren person, and I'm not gonna lie, this L-shaped, like, sideways Razer cable, the USB micro B cable that it came with, it makes me very angry. I'm actually upset at the cable department here, because it's not like they even went with USB-C so that you could have it go either way, but it's micro B, so it can only go in one way, and it only comes out to the left. That's entirely inconvenient. You wanna know why? Because it comes out the way that your left hand is naturally on your desk, which I mean, I don't know. If it was coming out the right side of the microphone, you could actually have it go in between your arrow keys and like your numpad arrow, and it could go through your keyboard like that at the very least. Or it can go between your keyboard and your mouse right next to your mouse pad so that there's a little channel for it and it's fine. But no, they put on the left side where your hand can just rest on it the whole time, or it can sit on top of your hand, making it very annoying. That's annoying to me. I don't know about you guys, but it's annoying to me, and I find it annoying, but I've said annoying 50 times. I don't care. These are the audio tests. Alright, back to the video. And there you have it. That is a review of the Razer Seiren X. I don't know what you thought. So, actually, I wasn't planning on... I listened to the audio once before, and I didn't really like it, but it actually sounded better this time. Now, one thing to note. I actually had a lot of problems originally. Now, this might be anecdotal, this might be a one-time thing, but if you actually look it up, it's happening a lot to a lot of people. The microphone on some of my computers... I hate saying that, some of my computers, but yes, on some of my computers just won't recognize. no matter what I did, plugging into different USB ports, trying, plugging it, reinstalling the software, there, and you can see it in Device Manager as Razer device, but updating drivers, downgrading drivers, anything in the books, going online, doing the thing where I find drivers and the software, none of it would work no matter what I did. So that's actually on the extreme end, but there have been multiple cases of that specifically happening, but a lot of it is usually just people find that the drivers don't automatically install themselves, the software doesn't recognize it, and there's some fixes for that. But that might be something to consider, is that I've seen a lot more problems with this than a lot of other USB microphones that I've seen. If you look at the HyperX Quadcast, which is extremely expensive as well, or even I used to use the old Razer Seiren, the one that looks like a giant pill. I never had that kind of problem, and I've never really even seen that kind of problem occur. It's not all over Reddit like the Razer Seiren problem is, but that's beside the point. If you like this kind of microphone, I would not recommend paying $100. I think honestly, it's just not enough material to it. If I wasn't planning on selling it, but I'm probably gonna sell this after. It's not my type of microphone. Not to mention I have 2 of these Audio-Technica ones and 2 of these lavaliers, so I don't really need it. If I wasn't planning on selling it after this, I would probably drop it to make a point. Just saying, to be honest. But that's the point. So if you like this kind of microphone, I highly, highly suggest buying it off eBay or Best Buy, where you can find the best prices. I never thought I'd say you find the best prices at Best Buy on computer parts, but I guess this doesn't really count. It's an outboard part. It's not internal. Whatever. So I hope you guys kind of like this little review. I want to review all of the Razer products that I have. I'll use the Razer Seiren for the rest of this little outro, just so you can get the last bit of audio. I wasn't recording for a minute, so oh well. But if you like this kind of mic, buy it on eBay, buy it on Best Buy. That's where I recommend. I want to get through reviewing all of my Razer products. So I've got the Razer Scylla, the Razer Keo, the Razer Stalker X Chromosome, the third keyboard. I've got the Mamba Wireless. I have the Razer Monitor, not the new one, the old one. I've got the Razer case I already reviewed. I have a lot of Razer stuff. I made a mistake. I've got the Razer mousepad. There will be a whole 30-minute video about the Razer mousepad, so get ready for that. And by 30 minutes, I mean 5, because I will give up on editing it at one point. But that's beside the point. Again, thank you so much for watching this review. If you like this microphone, if you like this style, buy it for less than $100. That's all I'm going to tell you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.